So Clod Busters haven't been around for a while. Being black, that looks pretty unique.
Yeah.
What you need is a bit of clear to go on there. We can spray it black again. Black will make it even deeper in black colour. Super Clod Buster. Black.
It is. It's very exciting.
I'm BJ from Hearns.
And I'm Scott from Hearns.
We're going to be looking at this big Clod Buster re-release.
Very exciting. Very cool.
But it's just not a regular Clod Buster, it's a super one.
It's the super duper one. It looks very, very cool. And black edition too.
Yeah.
They originally were blue, wasn't they?
Red, I reckon.
Red? Yeah, one of them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I never had one.
Pretty sure the blower on that's a bit different. So that's part of the super bit of it.
Yep.
Let's have a look inside.
Very cool. Let's have a look. There we go. Ooh. Lots of bits. Look at that. Nice. Very cool.
Well, if you look at the size of the tyres,
Huge.
you got that. Pretty big, aren't they? So by the time you get it together, it's going to be like this. Okay, and you get this big body hanging across the top. It's got that classic sort of 90s like car
truck
crusher look.
Yep. Chrome bumpers and everything. And the beautiful, cool bling wheels that will go in it.
They're a bit different. They're not just normal chrome, are they?
Yeah, it's sort of like a greeny chrome. Something different. Yeah, that looks super cool. Yeah.
Well, there's the bumpers. They're in your traditional
Nice
chrome.
Chrome action.
Bit of
And the pickup truck body. Obviously a hard plastic body, not Lexan. Very, very cool.
I say it's a monocoque type chassis.
Yep.
You have them on top there. Like that.
Wheels.
Pretty wide too.
Obviously, yeah, should be a pretty big monster once she's all together. And then, yeah, of course, there's all the rest of the bits that come with it. A lot more of the chrome. There's your blower air intake. Obviously, your headlight bar with all your chrome headlights.
The grill looks really nice, doesn't it?
Look at that. 4x4x4.
That's really crisp.
Very cool. Very, very smooth. Obviously, smoked tinted windows for the cabin.
Yeah, it makes it easier.
Yeah, nice. Plenty more chrome. Oh, yeah, there's the rest of the blower, or the air intake. And then, yeah, just all the rest of your standard bits, all the shock absorbers and bumper overriders. Lots and lots of bits to put together on this one. Definitely all the transmission
Oh, they're
cases.
the gearboxes, yeah? Because these are two motors.
Yep. Yeah. A double motor beast. Awesome.
Lots of brass bits. Got your brass fittings. Probably for the drive shafts. Well, these are drive shafts there. These hinge pins. Got some pressed steel. Tires will be reinforcement for the suspension. Oh, let's come over.
And obviously all your gears for the transmission, grease and everything all included. Little tool spanners and that with it. All your springs for the shockers. And then it even comes with an ESC, electronic speed control, which controls the two motors. So you only need the one ESC, which comes with the kit, which is pretty cool.
Really beefy teeth too.
Yeah.
Look at the
Big pitch on them. Obviously, yeah, will last quite a while.
they're the big hubs. The hubs, or in the old days, we just call them uprights. Massive. I guess they need to be big to support all these big wheels.
You should weigh a fair bit once you obviously get the battery and everything in it.
Yeah, your stickers there.
Sticker sheet.
Super Clod Buster.
Very, very cool. And then obviously to finally get it all running, you obviously need the transmitter, battery, charger, and a steering servo, which we've got all in store here at Hearns.
Yep, pretty sure it's just a standard servo is all you need.
Yeah, just standard normal size.
Pretty sure this is a four-wheel steer as well. So you got these are the ends of the wheel axles.
Yep.
And you've got the same types of uprights that go on both.
Yep. Very cool. Even chrome rear roll bar that goes in the back of the cab of the truck. So yeah, plenty of chrome with this bad boy. It look pretty cool, being black and all the chrome hanging off it. Yeah. Let's build it. Come on.
You want to build it?
Yeah, let's build it.
That's good.
Nick said we can.
Oh, really? So Clod Busters haven't been around for a while. Being black, that looks pretty unique.
Yeah.
What you need is a bit of clear to go on there. We can spray it black again. Black will make it even deeper in black colour.
Yep.
But a bit of clear will be enough.
It'll be nice and shiny.
Yeah.
It just has that slight sort of matte finish to it from the factory. So yeah, a bit of clear, make it nice and glossy.
But you may not want it glossy, you may want it like that.
Yeah.
I mean, the wraps are all the thing these days.
A lot of new cars nowadays are all matte black, that matte black look, or wrapped in matte black. So yeah, might be the flavour of the year, month. It's very cool.
It's good.
Very much fun to build.
There you go. Well, that's our inbox review of the Super Clod Buster.
Very cool. Come and get one, guys and girls.
Yeah.
Yeah.